Good day everyone. It's been a while since hindi po tayo nakapag-upload ng video for our friends. So today we just took some time para makapaglakad-lakad po dito sa farm since medyo tumigil na po yung ulan. Lately po medyo maulan. Ilang araw na rin. So ngayon yung ulan tigil, bugso-bugso siya. So medyo maganda-ganda yung walang init kumbaga. So magandang araw po sa lahat. Thank you po for taking time to view our videos. Sana po kahit paano nakakatulong po sa pagpapalipas niyo po ng oras and also makamotivate po sa inyo sa ating mga kasabong na magkaroon din po ng motivation para sa pagmamanok. So andito po tayo sa Ford area. Basically ito po ay mga local banded stags. Yung iba po dito medyo bata pa, but then again pinapamatured po natin sila para po sa ating mga kaibigan. Dito po sa farm, we have a practice na yung mga pare-pareho pong bloodline, ina-align po namin sa mga tipis just for us to have an idea kung ano yung mga bloodlines na meron na available as of the moment. So this particular line of PP, kung mapapansin nyo, they're all grays. Most of them grays. These are the crosses. We can take time na at least mag-isa-isa. This one is the Gray Gilmore cross, Larry Romero and Gilmore's. So this line po basically are gray crosses. Yung Gray Gilmore, 100% of them will be dark-legged. Ito po, this is a cross of gray sa 2264, straight comb gray with a 226 sweater. They will come out yellow leg naman. Another Gilmore gray, straight comb. But mapansin nyo, medyo silver in color na siya. So naging masyadong dominant yung gray color. 226 gray, yellow leg. 226 gray, yellow leg but P-comb naman siya. Gilmore gray, dito po mostly they're whites, mga puti. I was gifted ng puti from a good friend of mine, so and then I crossed them with grays. Mostly they are white color. They are crosses. This one is a McLean Larry Romero blood. Kelso. These are Gustavo Kelso. golden boy. Ang golden boy po namin were originated from Sir Edwin Arañez sa Pred Farm. Another golden boy. This is a Gilmore hatch. So greetings po ulit sa ating mga kasabong, kasalto, ka-excellence. Thank you po ulit for watching yung mga videos natin. Sana makatulong po sa inyong pagmamanok somehow as an added motivation tsaka pampalipas po ng inyong oras. This one is a Gilmore hatch na na-acquire namin sa Red Farm. We've been breeding them for quite some time now. Ginagamit po namin sila sa Grace and sa Golden Boy. Then sa Asil. Our Asil blood came from Sir Nene Abelio. No? These are blended sweater Asil already. For a keen eye, mapapansin nila almost certain na meron talagang Asil. It's either sa kanilang tail conformation or sa korte ng kanilang ulo. What I like most about these sweater Asils are their timing. Nakakatuwa sila lumaban. Yeah, they're not the flashiest type but medyo okay po. It's another Gilmore hatch. Yeah. Okay, we've been happy with these Gilmores from the time we bred them. They're a good blend with sweaters and grays. Out silver in color. Magandang maganda yung mata nila. It's what I like most about them is yung kulay ng kanilang mga mata. Then for a gray, medyo gusto ko po yung kanilang kulay as they turn out silver in color. So, friends, thank you po ulit sa inyo. I hope somehow we've been able to share some of our videos sa inyo. Makapagpalipas ng oras at we hope to see you soon sa mga coming videos po namin na ipopost dito sa YouTube channel. We really appreciate your time, and before we end our video, would like to show you one of our 226 stag. Yung sa mga nagtatanong po ng 226, we just can't really offer them without you visiting the farm kasi po they're really totally different. Medyo mababa po sila. Not really. And last but not the least, for this video, we'd like to show you a roundhead stag. It's a Gilliam roundhead, white-legged. So friends, thank you po ulit. We hope to see you again in the upcoming videos na ipopost po namin as soon as we have. We'll take some time to post more videos at thank you po again for watching and I hope to see you soon all guys. Thank you po.